Cinnamon and walnut porridge. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 5 minutes. Yield 4 cups. Description: the ultimate wholesome breakfast. This creamy, rich and cozy cinnamon and walnut porridge is perfect to warm you up this time of year. Ingredients: 2 cups rolled oats, 2 cups almond milk, 2 cups water, 2 teaspoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup walnuts. Instructions: add all ingredients into a medium saucepan except for the cinnamon and walnuts. Stir well and heat over medium heat. Bring mixture to a simmer. Simmer for 5 minutes, stirring often. Serve with a spoonful of walnuts and sprinkle cinnamon on top. Alternatively, if you don't want the cinnamon to show as a garnish, you can add the cinnamon at the beginning into your porridge mixture.